Manan Chadda asked me a question. Your father has been transferred to a new location and you have to get admission in class 11 in the new city. Write a statement of purpose for admission into a reputed school describing why you want to take admission in this particular school. Shashwat also asked the same question, and Shashwat, I have taken this question into consideration and am making a video on it. Let's read the answer now. Statement of purpose. Start with a grand opening, a personal anecdote, a personal story that will make your statement of purpose stand out. I, Sumit Sharma, a student of class 10, have always been taught to adapt to and adjust in new cities and new environment since childhood. This is largely due to my father's transferable job. As a result, I have had the opportunities to study in many reputed schools of the country. At present, I have shifted to Kolkata from Mumbai and am working hard to get admission in MB Public School, one of the best schools in the city. Now, my dear students, what do you think of this introduction? I hope this introduction is strong enough, impactful enough to convince the council who will find me favorable, find me suitable for admission. I have mentioned my name, my class, and the specific reason why I want to change my school. And what is the result of my shifting from one place to another? This has enabled me to study in many reputed schools of the country, and I have learned to adapt to and adjust in new cities and new environment, and this has made me flexible. I have also mentioned the name of the school, which I have chosen clearly in the introduction. Now state the reasons. The reasons for your choice. MB Public School provides quality education, emphasizing on extracurricular activities as well, thereby ensuring wholesome development of personality. The first reason is quite clear. I am highly motivated, optimistic, diligent, and eager to acquire knowledge, and am hopeful of learning from the experienced faculty of the school. This is the second reason, and observe how I have written about some traits of my personality as well as another reason for my choice, that is the experienced faculty of the school. This school offers ISC curriculum and the medium of instruction is English. Many stalwarts are ex-students of this reputed institution. The environment of the school campus is very good. And then my future plans, my ambition, I aspire to become a chartered accountant, and MB Public School has probably the best commerce department. I have tried to be logical in my approach. This is a structured, well-structured, standard statement of purpose. This is not haphazard. I have mentioned almost all important points, and that too in a well-organized manner. Moreover, the affordable fee structure and nearness of my house to the school are other factors. I have scored 84.3% in my class 10 board examination. I have won several prizes in debate and swimming. Zealous and focused, I am an avid reader and have got leadership skills. Mention your academic performance and also mention your extracurricular activities. I am an avid reader and have got leadership skills. I was the head boy of DPS High School, Mumbai. I will use my experiences, education acquired to work for the betterment of the weaker section of the economy. How will I be of use, be of some relevance in society when I grow up? I will utilize my knowledge for the betterment of the weaker section of the society. I am confident that I'll be able to uphold the integrity and reputation of this institution with my grit, determination, and willingness to learn from assimilation of cultures in this school. This is my statement of purpose, and if you want to add any more points, you are free to do so. All the best, my dear boys and girls, and don't take stress. Bye.